Hi, my name's John. Welcome to 2025. I hope everybody has a really good year. It's like a clean sheet of paper. Anything can happen. Let's hope it's going to be a good one. Welcome to another Wednesday catch up. This is like a sort of two-part video. The first part is going to be the draw for the power weld welding screen given kindly by my friend Rob at Xtreme Plasma. So I'm going to do the draw for that first, then I'm going to do a little bit of sort of engineering just to make people watch the video really. Anyway, let's have a start. Right, I'm going to go upstairs, press some buttons on the computer, see if I can find a winner. Right, Jonathan Easton, all you've got to do is send me an email, that's me, email address up there, and I'll get this posted off to you. There'll be a double boost cap in it as well, and one or two other little bits and pieces. I'm going to show how to use a DRO on a milling machine to drill a circle PCD, or to mark out a circle PCD. It's very simple, easy to do. If I can do it, it must be easy, and it's a feature most DROs have got, and a lot of people, especially like people who piss about at home like me, don't know it's there and don't use it. Anyway, I hope you find the videos interesting. I've got a little job to do here for a viewer. It's quite simply a piece of brass bar which he supplied. In fact, it looks like bronze actually. And what he wants is a series of 8 holes put around the outside in a pitch circle diameter of 25mm. The holes are 3mm, they need to be 10mm deep. There's a few ways of doing it. You can use a dividing head, you can mark it out. But I'm going to use a DRO on the milling machine. It's a feature that's on most DROs, and it honestly, a lot of people don't use it. It's simple to use, it can save a lot of time and a lot of hassle. The first thing we need to do is centralise the tool on the job, which it is. That centre part of the workpiece is dead in line with the centre of the milling machine, so we're basically ready to start. The clicking noise you can hear in the background and the jet engine like noise is just the pump on my little diesel heater because it's absolutely freezing in here. Right, the first thing we'll do is zero the 3-axis, so we know that that's 0, everything's set to nothing. Then we'll go into here and we'll click PCD, which is pitch circle diameter. Now it's asking for a radius. We want it a pitch circle diameter of 25, so the radius is 12.5. So we'll type in 12.5, enter. First angle is on 0, last angle is on 0, hole number we want 8. It's a direct reading, so we're going to start from the centre. Right, so that's hole number 1, number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, back to hole number 1. So all we do is move the X and Y axis until that says 0, and then we'll be on the right place to drill the hole. I'm going to try and get a wide angle shot on so you can see the drill and the screen working in conjunction. Right, so you can see it there, you can see the drill and you can see the readout. So we're going to do exactly what it says. Turn that, it says 0. This is the first hole. Right, we'll start the drill up, start the milling machine up rather. I'm going to bring the quill down until it just touches off. Lock the spindle off, and I'm going to use the Z-axis to drill the hole. We need it 10mm deep. Right, 10 mil. So next we want hole number 2. Do exactly what it says. That one till it says 0. Same with that one, onto 0. Same again, using the quill, we dial in 10 mil, will be spot on for depth. Right, so hole number 4, 0. Right, hole number 8, which is the last one. Right, so if we now go back to hole number 1, hopefully the drill will go in the same hole. If it doesn't, we've got a bit of a problem. Right, the moment of truth is it's going to go back in the same hole, absolutely spot on. So we can now go around. If you want to tune, you can tap these, you can countersync them. That program stops in until you turn off the DRO. Once again, it's just time to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please do. I didn't quite make the 100,000, but it's going to happen in the next week or 2. Also, a massive thanks to my friend Rob at Xtreme Plasma for donating that splendid helmet, and congratulations to the lad that won it. Anyway, thanks for watching.